guys, welcome back
to my
hour.
All
right guys, we're at the mall looking for Pokemon again.
Yep.
Christian just went to Build-A-Bear, so we're here. We might as well try to see if we can find some Pokemon cards. Maybe they've put them back out. People are telling us there's some places in the mall that have them.
Like Ethan, he found the 10 packs.
He did? He found a 10-pack? So we're gonna see if we can find it. What do we find? Among Us Poppets, didn't we? This one's one too. I like the big pop. This is cooler, but I like these.
I like this.
The bat. These are cool too. Ah, we've been looking for him. That's Spider-Man.
That's cool.
Was there anything on that side?
No, Among Us.
Oh, look though. That's kind of cool though. The butterfly.
Big one.
Yeah, just the big ones. Did you ask her how much they are?
No.
Can you do it? Let's keep looking.
Okay.
We're looking for Pokemon cards, right?
See it, Among Us is.
I've seen the Among Us, but you'd rather have the Pokemon cards. Okay, it looks like we are going into GameStop to see if they have some. We know where they're at here.
What's this? Oh, that's cute. It's a Minecraft figure.
That is cute. Does not look like they have any Pokemon cards though. Look somewhere else. That was a no. That was a no, so let's see what else we got. Okay, we're at our next store. Somebody had mentioned Hot Topic. It's a clothing store though. But we're gonna see, right here, Christian, if we can go in. Hey, she did say they have some if they're not sold out. Okay, that was a bus. She said go look at Books A Million. Didn't even think about that. All right, guys, let's try here. They did have toys. Cute. Is that a pinata?
Yeah.
What is that?
This is from Fortnite.
Oh, this is? Oh, okay. Can I see him? Oh, look at
It's
his
a
eyes.
character. It's a
Eyes
character.
look weird. Oh, don't really put your mouth on
I
it.
didn't.
Snow-shaped unicorn.
No shape. What?
Oh, sorry.
No.
Let's see this. Make your own. Okay, it's kind of cute. Pokemon books. Miss Pikachu model kit. These socks, but no cards. See socks and stuff, but no cards. Boo. All right, let's keep going. Let's go in this store. It's the toy place. Oh, this is probably where they were talking about. Oh, hey. Boop. He, for some reason, loves poop. Doo-doo-doo. Toys. Squishies. I can't help but squish them. Put that down.
This way, buddy. That's behind the counter.
Okay, that was a no. That was a fast. No, that was a no, huh?
Rip off.
What have you got?
Mario.
Christian, these are cool. I like those. Oh, big Luigi hat. Okay, last stop is Books A Million.
Yep.
Okay, if we can't find them, it looks like everybody's stocking them through the week,
Yep.
and we're here on a Sunday.
If we can't find it, we'll come back
Yeah, we'll have to come back.
tomorrow.
So if you
All right.
pull one of
That's
those,
what you
it's-
want?
you
Christian, finally found some. Okay, so you're gonna go home and open it and show them what you got.
Dad.
Okay, with Dad. Tell them bye. See you in the next.
See you next one. Find Pokemon cards.